Guys, let me show you this screwdriver that I got from Amazon. So let me open it and show you. So you can see here is 67 in one. So basically you have everything here. It comes with this case, super compact. So you can take it with you wherever you go. So here you can see you have everything here. You have all the sizes for different projects. So it feels very, very sturdy. You can use it in different ways. So for example, you can use it like this. It has this magnet, or also you can use it in this direction. Here you can change to left or right, so depending on your projects. So you can see here, guys, you have basically everything. All the sizes, every single piece is great and super useful. One of the things that I really like is the compact size. So you can take it with you wherever you go.